How to grow microgreens. If you haven't heard about microgreens, then you are definitely in for a delight. Here is a simple step-by-step guide on how to grow microgreens indoors to add to butter balls, salads, sandwiches, or wraps. Microgreens are basically micro varieties of fully mature plants. There are a number of vegetables whose microgreens variant serves as a nutritious and flavorful supplement to all your recipes. Microgreens are sometimes confused with sprouts. Microgreens are mature sprouts which have been allowed to grow a little longer, up to 2 inches tall, to the stage where they have visible leaves. Commonly grown varieties of microgreens include amarnath, beetroot, basil, broccoli, cabbage, radish, fennel, kale, mustard, and spinach. The first step is filling the tray or containers with soil. Since the roots of microgreens do not reach that deep, 3 to 4 inch soil height should be good enough. After the soil is ready, microgreen seeds are to be spread on the soil surface. The spacing between the seeds, just hand sprinkling, works fine. Now cover the seeds with a very thin layer of soil and gently pat the surface in order to make the seeds settle well in the container. Spray enough water over the soil surface in order to make the surface completely moist. But do not flood it with water. The container can be kept at room temperature for about 2 days until germination occurs. Then choose a sunny spot to space the plant, where it receives a good amount of sunlight for at least 3-4 hours in a day. Sprinkle a little water over the growing greens twice a day. In 3-4 days' time, you will witness small leaves growing over the soil with little shoots at the bottom. After a week, you will be delighted to see your container full of healthy microgreens. Once the plants are 2-3 inches taller, they are ready to be harvested. Harvesting microgreens is pretty hassle-free too. You can take a pair of scissors or a sharp knife and cut the microgreens, holding them vertically from just over the roots. After collecting your microgreens, wash them with cold running water and they are ready to enhance your meals. Microgreens provide the best of nutrition when consumed fresh, right after the harvest. See, it's super easy, right? Enjoy growing your microgreens and have them as a healthful ingredient in your salads, smoothies, and sandwiches.